Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to join a Google Meet meeting using an invite link on your computer. This is one of the easiest ways to join a meeting, whether it's for work, school, or a personal chat. First, you'll usually get your invite link through email, WhatsApp, or a calendar invite. The link always looks something like this: meet.google.com/ followed by some letters or numbers. Once you get that link, just click on it. It will automatically open Google Meet in your browser. If you're not signed in yet, Google will ask you to log in with your account, so go ahead and do that. After the page loads, you'll see a preview screen. Here, you can check your camera and microphone before joining. You can also turn them off if you want to join with just audio. Next, click on the Join Now button if the meeting is open, and you'll go straight inside. But if you see a message saying Ask to Join, that means the host hasn't let you in yet. Just click Ask to Join and wait for the host to approve your request. Once they do, you'll automatically enter the meeting. Pro tip: if the invite came from Google Calendar, you can also join directly from your calendar by clicking on the event and then selecting the Join with Google Meet button. And if you accidentally closed the meeting or got disconnected, no worries, just click the same invite link again to rejoin. And that's it. That's how you join a Google Meet meeting using an invite link on your computer. Super quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials like this one.